Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss patent agent examination question paper 1 2000. Question number 1 is short notes. Question number 1A patent agent. Kindly see section 125, 126 and 127 of the Patent Act. 125 says register of patent agent, where the name and other relevant particulars of a patent agent are kept. Section 126 is the qualification for registration as a patent agent. He is a citizen of India. He must have completed the age of 21. He has obtained a degree in science, engineering or technology. He has passed the qualifying examination and he has paid the prescribed fee. And section 127 is the rights of patent agent to practice before the controller and to prepare all the documents related to the invention or patent filing. Next question is question 1B, secrecy direction. Kindly see section 135 for secrecy direction. So 1B is secrecy direction. Kindly see section 35. Section 35, secrecy direction relating to invention relevant for defense purposes. Question number 1C, international application under PCT. Kindly see the PCT filing that is available on www.ipindia.nic.in. Kindly have a look about the PCT filing PDF of IP India. Kindly download the file. Question number 1D, medicine or drug. It was changed. In its place we can see section 92A. Section 92A, compulsory license for export of patented pharmaceutical products in certain exceptional circumstances. Next question is 1E, invention as per the Patent Amendment Act 2002. Kindly see the definition section, that is section 21J. Question number 1F, convention country. Kindly see section 21D. Question number 1G, register of patent. Kindly see section 67. Section 67, register of patents in particular to be entered therein. There is a register at the patent office where entries are made regarding the names and addresses of the guarantees of the patents, any notification of assignment and of transmission of patents or of license under the patents, and of amendments, extension and revocation of patents, and particular of such other matter affecting the validity or proprietorship of patents as may be prescribed. Question number 2 is true and false. 2A, an application for patent for an invention may be made by any person claiming to be the true and first inventor of the invention. The statement is true. Kindly see section 6A. Question number 2B, a patentee cannot surrender his patent. Statement is false. Kindly see section 63. Question number 2C, it is possible to obtain a world patent. Statement is false. There is an international application. There is nothing called world patent. Question number 2D, the applicant shall not be entitled to institute any proceeding for infringement until the payment has been sealed. It was changed. Kindly see section 105 clause 4. Question number 2E, there is a provision under the Patent Act 1970 to extend the term of a patent. Statement is false. Section 53, term of patent is 20 years. Question number 2F, a research institute or organization can use patents for research purpose without any liabilities for infringement. Statement is true. Kindly see section 47, clause 3. Question number 2G. The register of patent agent is kept at the Patent Office, Kolkata only. Statement is false. Kindly see Rule 88, clause 1. Question number 2H. Invention relating to atomic energy is not patentable. Statement is true. Kindly see section 4. Question number 2I. The national phase application for patent under the PCT may be filed at the Patent Office, Kolkata only. Statement is false. Kindly see Rule 88, clause 1. It must be filed at the appropriate office. Question number 2J. All orders of the controller are appealable at the High Court. Orders of the appealable at IPAB. Statement is false. Kindly see section 117, clause A, 117A, clause 2 for all the sections which are appealable before the appellate board. Question number 2K. Under Patent Amendment Act 2002, provision regarding request for examination has been introduced. Statement is true. Kindly see section 12. Question number 2L. Under Patent Amendment Act 2002, provision regarding possibilities of register of patent in electronic form has been introduced. Statement is true. Kindly see 2002 amendment. Question number 3. Fill up the blanks. Question number 3A. Kindly see the PCT fee schedule or the fifth schedule. Question number 3B. It was changed. Kindly see section 25 for opposition matters. Question number 3C. Kindly see Rule 115 or first schedule for the fee. Question number 3D. It get changed. Question number 3E. IB stand for International Bureau. Kindly see Rule 17, clause AB. Question number 3F. Exclusive marketing right. It changed. Question number 3G. The date of every patent shall be the date of the filing of the patent application. Kindly see section 45. Question number 3H. No renewal fee shall be payable in respect of a patent of edition. Kindly see section 55, clause 2. Question number 3I. The maximum number of designation fee for fee. Kindly see the PCT fee structure or the fifth schedule. Question number 3J. Application for the grant of product patent in drug. It get changed. Question number 3K. Under Patent Amendment Act 2002, the term of the patent shall be 20 years. Kindly see section 53 from the date of the filing of the application for patent. Question number 3L. Under Patent Amendment Act 2002, there is a provision for publication of application for the patent after 18 months, even before acceptance. Kindly see Rule 24. Question number 4. Descriptive type of questions. Question 4A. Divisional application. Kindly see section 16. Question number 4B. PCT fee structure. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. Question number 4C. Difference between provisional and complete specification. Kindly see section 9. Question number 4D. Revocation of patent. Kindly see section 64. Question number 4E. What do you understand by the term rights of patentees as per the Act? Kindly see section 48. Question number 4F. Note on the advantage of PCT filing. Kindly see the PCT filing. Question number 5A. For putting a specification in order for acceptance after issuance of the first information report. Time period is 6 months. Extension period we may avail is 3 months. Kindly see Rule 24B, clause 5 and 6. Question number 5B. For a request for sealing of a patent, it was changed. Question number 5C. For filing opposition to the grant of a patent after acceptance of the complete specification has been notified in the official gazette. It was changed. Kindly see section 25 for opposition matter. Question number 5D. For an application for the restoration of the patent within 18 months. Kindly see section 60. Question number 5E. For declaration as to inventorship of the invention. Time period is within 1 month. It has to be filed. Kindly see section 10 clause 6 and rule 13 clause 6, and the relevant form is form 5. Question number 5F for filing an application for compulsory license. Time period is after the expiry of 3 years. Kindly see section 84. Question number 5G for a request for postponement of acceptance of complete specification. Complete specification has to be filed within 12 months. And for post dating, kindly see section 9 clause 4. Question number 6A. Kindly see the fee structure. Question number 6B. See the fee structure first schedule. Question number 6C. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. And question number 6D. Kindly see the PCT fee structure. And question number 6E is full form of EPO is European Patent Office. That's the end of question paper 2002. Thanks for watching my videos.